Today I am reviewing this super cute planter for indoor plants. It has this fun smiley face. Kind of reminds me of Humpty Dumpty. Look at the little arms, look at the little feet, look at the little smile. Nice craftsmanship, nice feel to it, nice like taupe color. Sitting on its little swing. It's got a string, and it even came with this S-hook. Put the little plant in there. It's going to grow and give it a little look of a hair and stuff, so pretty nice. Definitely happy with this. It's bigger than I thought it would be, which is nice. Look at him. Just gonna go for a little ride. Whee! So cute. Better not break it. My wife would not be happy. But if you want to make your wife happy or your plant lover in your life, check this out. It is super cute. It was with this like natural looking string with it. Gives it a nice look, just like a happy kid playing. And it's nice. It even didn't come with that top hanger, but it did come with that S-hook. We added a little extension for it, so maybe the rope isn't quite as long as it could be, but overall a really nice product. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.